Shadow from the starlight is softer than a lullaby. Rocky Mountain High, Colorado. Rocky Mountain High, Colorado.
Today on Northwest Travel, we'll be exploring the beautiful Mount Rainier National Park in Washington State and teaching you how to use a topographic map to choose the perfect hiking route and campsite for you. As you can see from the regional locator, Mount Rainier is located in west central Washington and has 4 entrance stations, one at each corner of the park. We will be going into the park through the Nisqually entrance on Highway 708 heading east from Eatonville. When you arrive at the park, you will be given a complimentary map. It is important to understand your map before exploring the park. This topographic map has a scale of 1 inch is equal to 0.87 miles. That means that if we're driving from the Nisqually entrance, we will need to travel about 18 inches on the map, which would be about 16 miles up the Longmire Paradise Road to choose a starting point for our hike. The legend on a map can give you a great deal of helpful information while traveling through Mount Rainier. The legend tells you what the symbols on the map mean. Important symbols to look for on your legend are paved roads, hiking trails, trailhead, restrooms, ranger station, campgrounds, and glaciers. Another very important feature on a map is the compass rose. A compass rose shows which directions are north, south, east, and west on a map. As you can see, this compass rose is very detailed compared to most. The star on the compass rose shows true north, and the arrow pointing 9 degrees north, east, is the magnetic north. Now that we understand our map, we can get started on our hike. Quite possibly the most popular hike at Mount Rainier is the Skyline Trail hike. It is a 5.2-mile loop day hike. Due to its elevation, the best months to hike are mid-July through September. Based on the fact that the contour lines on our map of the Skyline Trail are very close together, we estimate that we'll be gaining about 1,100 feet in elevation. Our hike starts at 5,400 feet above sea level, and at the highest point of the trail, you can get a great view of the Nisqually Glacier, which is indicated in blue coloring on our legend. From that point, it is all downhill. After a long day of hiking, it is important to find the perfect campground to retreat to. The perfect campground, if you don't want to rough it in the wilderness, is the Paradise River Campground, located just off the road near the Wonderland Trail. Since the campground's elevation is only 4,000 feet, it won't be nearly as cold at night compared to a campground at higher elevation. When choosing a campground, finding the elevation is key in picking the right one. The numbers on the contour lines of a map tell you the elevation of the area. Alright, well that's all. Thanks for watching and join us next time on Northwest Travel.
Rocky Mountain High. Rocky Mountain High.